Welcome to Hermes Explained, where we take an in-depth look at the Hermes mobile Cobot series. Hermes is more than just a Cobot. It's a versatile mobile Cobot series that encompasses a range of applications, including palletizing, depalletizing, case packing, and machine tending. One of the most common uses for Hermes is palletizing. At Zeta Group, we have 3 standard Hermes palletizer options to fit various palletizing needs. Our standard palletizer is great for most palletizing applications and is customizable to fit the specific needs of your operations. Our light palletizer is an essential pick-and-place palletizer with no customizations. The Hermes Light is perfect for companies looking for a simple but efficient palletizer without the need for customization. Our third palletizer option is a high-rise version. This is designed for facilities that require taller stack heights, extending the reach of the palletizer without compromising performance. Hermes also excels in depalletizing tasks, making it easy to unload pallets and transfer products into your production. For facilities that operate in washdown environments, our depalletizer is also available in stainless steel. This gives the same performance with added resistance to corrosion and harsh cleaning conditions. Additional Hermes applications include case packing and machine tending. Hermes is a perfect solution for these applications due to its precise motions and ability to fit into compact spaces. Hermes is a game changer for facilities looking to streamline their case packing, machine tending, palletizing, and depalletizing operations. All these applications utilize the same flexible Hermes platform, meaning the overall features that make Hermes unique, such as mobility, durability, and safety, are present in each of the applications that it is incorporated into. Reimagine your manufacturing floor with a Hermes mobile Cobot solution.